Let me guess, you're using your iPad Pro and you're tired of constantly getting fingerprints on the screen, tired of glare whenever you're trying to watch something in the lit environment, and of course you want that paper feeling when you're drawing or taking notes. Well, I've got just the thing for you. Let's take a look.
They say I look like a panda, but me I think I look way more like a bear. Fuck a fork in the road, put the fork in your ear, cause I'm already tortured, I torture career.
So what we've got here is the ESR PaperLike screen protector. It's not your normal screen protector, as this one gives you a matte look and a paper feel. Basically that means it gives you a less glare and more realistic paper feeling when you're using your Apple Pencil. ESR was kind enough to send me out 2 of these screen protectors to give away to 2 of you lucky subscribers. I'll have one for the iPad Pro 11-inch model and one for the 12.9-inch model. I'll tell you how to enter the giveaway later on in the video, so stay tuned. Before we do anything else, what we need to do is take off this old tempered glass screen. So let's do that.
Two hours later.
So let's take a look what we get in the box. So in the box we get a screen protector. You should get 2 of these in your box, so not to worry if you get one wrong. A cleaning kit, the alignment tool, installation instructions, and a squeegee. If you don't feel like watching the installation, feel free to skip this step. I've left chapters at the bottom of the video so you can fast forward to any part you want. So ESR have made the installation procedure super easy. They even included a tool for you to get alignment perfect. Now that we've got the tempered glass screen removed, we need to make sure that the screen is clear of any dirt. This is such an important step, as the last thing you want is something getting trapped underneath the protector when you're trying to apply it.
2 hours later.
You can use the dust removal sticker that comes in the cleaning kit to remove the loose particles.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Then you basically put the blue alignment tool in the 2 holes and plug it into the charging port of the iPad. This is going to keep it aligned while you stick down the top section. Once the screen is clean and you have placed the screen protector on your iPad, you want to first remove that top section underneath, align the screen protector and stick it down in place. Then we're going to remove the blue alignment tool and do the same with the other side of the screen protector. This should result in a super straight, aligned screen protector installation. Don't worry if you have some bubbles underneath, as you can use the squeegee tool to push them out slowly. So if you've made it this far in the video, put a hashtag iPadLife in the comment section below to see who's actually paying attention. As I mentioned earlier, I teamed up with ESR to give away a PaperLike screen protector to 2 lucky subscribers. To enter the giveaway, there's going to be a link in the description box with multiple ways for you to earn entries into competition. The more entries you earn, the better chances you have of winning. So if you know someone that has an iPad, share this video with them so that they have a chance of winning as well. The giveaway is only open to UK residents due to shipping costs, and you must be a subscriber to be eligible. However, there will be more giveaways on the channel continuously, so remember to keep an eye out. You can see how much of a difference this screen protector makes to the practicality of your iPad Pro. It's true you might lose a tiny bit of clarity on the screen, however you gain much more in return. Since I've had mine installed, I've loved every minute of it. I'll never go back to a glossy style one. Due to the added texture on the screen, you're going to notice that your pencil nib might start to wear out slowly, just like how a pencil does on paper. To help with this, you can buy these silicone covers that just go over your Apple Pencil nib, and they're super cheap. The link will be in the description box. If you do want to purchase this screen protector, links will be in the description box below, and maybe even a discount code. Remember to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell to be up to date with the latest content released. Thank you guys for watching, stay safe, I'll catch you guys on the next video.